Hi, I'm Vivek from PlayShifu. I'm really excited to bring Shifu Tacto this year. We're launching Shifu Tacto in June. What Shifu Tacto is our complete new take on board games. Now we've already released Orbit and Plugo before, which are interactive tablet and mobile based AR experiences. But this is a new take on board games. As kids, as adults, we've loved board games as we've grown up. What we're doing is creating a complete tactile layer and converting your own tablet, it can be Android or iOS, into board games. So I'd love to show you what we're launching this June. So we're launching 4 different board games, starting with Snakes and Ladder, which is our take on the most popular board game as kids love to play with. In Snakes and Ladder, you have 2 players and each of the player has a turn. So this is the first player's turn. They get a dice like this. When they put it, they get a number which they have to move then. So the rabbit has got 6 moves, so they pick up the rabbit and kids have to count for 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once they do that, the rabbit moves and it's a live Snakes and Ladder game, and it's a 2-player move, so 2 players can play together. But so this was one of the traditional games. We're launching 3 new games. For example, Laser. Laser is around the principle of physics and reflection. So all of these games have a learning component, so that kids are actually learning something while they're playing. So in this game, there is an asteroid which is heading towards the planet. There's an asteroid heading towards the planet from here, and kids have to protect the planet from this asteroid. So what they do is take this laser figurine, they put it up here, and then suddenly the laser is activated. Now they can rotate the laser beam to try to hit the asteroid, but rocks are coming in between. So what they do is take a mirror figurine and they put up the mirror to reflect the laser and burst the asteroid. So they're designing a system of mirrors and laser actually to solve the problems on the app. Third one is a fun take on chemistry and elements. Now this is something that kids, something very tough and boring for us to learn, but we're trying to gamify it in a manner that kids can actually love and enjoy. So for example, this one is asking for chlorine monoxide, and how this one works is you can take a chlorine molecule and you can put it up here, and you suddenly get a chlorine molecule, and then you can build the whole structure. So you get in the kit, you get 6 of the most common elements that exist in the nature, and kids can love and explore with these. We are going to create a chemistry lab inside the app that they can make any molecules with these. And the 4th game that we are launching is a strategy game. It's around these figurines. Each of these figurines have special powers. Like for example, this is a fire figurine, this is a bag figurine, this is a rope figurine, and you have to solve the quest that happens in the jungle. For example, this is a scene where you have to find the hidden gem, and how it works is the scene is very dark. So you can take the fire figurine, when you put it up, you get the light in the figurine. So now the scene is lit and now you can see. So next what you do is take a hammer figurine and break the rocks to see whether there's a gem which is hidden there. It might be hidden anywhere between logs or rocks. So there you got the gem. And the last thing that you do to cross this level is take a bag figurine and collect the gem. And the scene progresses. Some of the levels require you to use the resources wisely. It's all about the strategy of when to use what. It makes it really fun. So with Tacto, the board games actually come to life, and we're going to launch, after these 4, we're going to launch 6 more board games, including chess. It makes it really fun to play the board games. Thank you so much.